Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, messy curly bun hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I've curled the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just going to divide out the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way. Do this on both sides of the head. Then I'm going to take some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below and just apply it all over the crown of the head. Next, we're going to divide the hair in half, and with that top section I'm going to pop it into a ponytail, and on the last turn of that elastic band all I'm going to do is pull that ponytail about halfway through so you create a little loop. Okay, so take your loop and I'm just going to pin it on top of the head for later. And with the remaining hair, I'm just going to smooth this all up as high as I can get it to meet the first loop. And I'm going to tie another ponytail, and again on the last turn only pull the ends halfway through to create another loop. Release that top loop down, and then I'm going to take some more of that texture powder and just apply it to both of those loops. And starting on the top one, I'm going to grab the edges and pull it apart, and then I'm going to just push this towards the head, holding it with my fingers, and then just using a couple of bobby pins to pin it to the head. I'm going to do the same with the second loop, so pinch and pull it apart to make it bigger, and then I'm just going to push it upwards so it joins the first one, and again secure it to the head with a few more bobby pins. I like to leave a couple of pieces hanging down, but there's a little bit too much here, so anything that I don't want left, I'm just going to pop a bobby pin on the end, roll it towards the head, and then just slide it into that bun. Then pinch and pull at the hair at the crown for some more messy volume. Release the side sections down, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. And with the rest, I'm going to give this a couple of twists towards the head and secure with a bobby pin, leaving the ends hanging down. Pinch and pull at the hair just so it matches the texture, and repeat on the left hand side. So leave a bit to frame the face. With the rest of the hair, give it a couple of twists towards the head and secure under the bun, leaving the ends free. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.